How to grow your real estate business in Canada with videos using Fliki. Are you a Canadian real estate agent struggling to stand out in a crowded market? What if I told you video marketing could be your secret weapon, and it's easier than you think? Video is no longer optional, it's essential. Potential clients are searching online, and they're drawn to engaging video content. Think about it. Are you more likely to read a lengthy text description or watch a quick, informative video? Video builds trust and allows you to showcase your personality. It's a powerful way to connect with potential clients on a deeper level. This is especially important in the Canadian real estate market, where trust and relationships are key. Fliki is an AI-powered text-to-video platform that makes video creation incredibly simple. You don't need to be a professional videographer or editor. Fliki allows you to turn blog posts, property descriptions, or even social media updates into engaging videos in minutes. Imagine turning your latest listing into a stunning video tour with professional voiceover, all without ever picking up a camera. That's the power of Fliki. It's perfect for busy real estate agents who want to leverage video marketing without the hassle. When creating videos for your real estate business, consider keywords like Canadian real estate video marketing, real estate agent video tips, Fliki for real estate, Grow Real Estate Business Canada, and Real Estate Marketing Strategy Canada. These are terms potential clients and other agents are actively searching for. By incorporating these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you'll increase your visibility in search results and attract more viewers. Remember to naturally weave these keywords into your video dialogue as well. Start by identifying your target audience and the message you want to convey. Are you showcasing a new listing, providing market updates, or sharing tips for first-time home buyers? Next, write a script or outline the key points you want to cover in your video. Keep it concise and engaging. Remember, attention spans are short. Now, use Fliki to turn your script into a video. Choose from a variety of templates, add images and video clips, and select a professional voiceover. Fliki's AI will handle the rest, creating a polished and professional video in minutes. The possibilities are endless. Create property tours, neighborhood spotlights, client testimonials, market updates, ask me anything videos, and even behind-the-scenes glimpses into your day-to-day work. Property tours are a must-have. Showcase the best features of your listings with stunning visuals and a compelling voiceover. Neighborhood spotlights help you establish yourself as a local expert. Client testimonials build trust and credibility. Market updates demonstrate your knowledge and expertise. Ask Me Anything videos allow you to connect with potential clients on a personal level. Once your video is created, it's crucial to optimize it for YouTube search. Write a compelling title that includes relevant keywords. Craft a detailed description that provides context and includes a call to action. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand what your video is about. Create an eye-catching thumbnail that will entice viewers to click. Promote your video on social media and embed it on your website. Track your video views, watch time, and engagement metrics to see what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your video strategy and create even more effective content. Pay attention to comments and feedback from viewers. This is a valuable source of information that can help you improve your videos and better serve your audience. Ready to transform your real estate business with the power of video? Start your free trial of Fliki today and see how easy it is to create engaging, professional videos that attract new clients and boost your brand. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow real estate agents, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies. What type of real estate videos are you most excited to create? Let us know in the comments below.